Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I just got a box from Smashlots, who is rebranding as Honcho Wholesale. And so I want to open this up and give you a few details about this box. Okay, so let me tell you exactly what I got going on. I'm a working warehouse, so it always looks like a hot mess behind me. But that's because I'm trying to get an Amazon order out, but I just got this box. It's from Smashlots.com, and they're actually rebranding to Honcho Wholesale. And so you can still search for Smashlots. I just did a Google search and it still comes up, but it's HonchoWholesale.com. But what I wanted to tell you about this box is this is a sample size box from them, and they basically have a little bit higher end clothing. So it's not going to be the Walmart, it's not going to be the Target, it's going to be more kind of mall stuff. When I looked on their website, they've got like Anne Klein, Gino Vitale, I did even see some Michael Kors, things like that. And so I wanted to open up this box and give you a glimpse into what you can expect from them. But when I looked at their cases, they have, 20 to 30 items in their boxes, and they range from like $300 to $500, and they have some that I think are more expensive, but this would be good entry-level size. So let's go ahead and get in here. I do know that it's high-end clothing, so I'm going to be careful to kind of pull the box up and not cut anything inside the box. I did great with a lot of this clothing on Poshmark. It's sold for a really good price because it is nicer, more high-end stuff. And so I was really excited about it. I spoke with Jasper. He's kind of my guy that I talked to. Let me see. This is basically just addresses. All right, so this is what is in the sample box, and it gives you an idea of what kind of clothing you're going to get. And so I do know that on their website, everything that they say is in resellable condition. So this is one of their jackets. Ooh, it's DKNY, really sharp looking. So as you can see, it's already kind of better condition than I see in some of just a different brand. And so that's really, really nice. Here, let me open that up so you can see it real nice. And then I've got this nice sweater, Inc. International Concepts. Those sell really well for me. It's got some neat gathered detail on the corner there. So stuff that's going to be really aesthetically pleasing when you take pictures for it. I do know this is Michael Kors. Originally $98. If you want to zoom in on that tag there, size small. But I do know that when you look on their website, they do have kind of a partially manifested is how I would describe it, where they give a list of what the clothing items, a lot of the clothing items are. This one is an International Concepts, again, size small. Really cool detail with those zippers. So a lot of this stuff is going to take great pictures. They do also include on some of their listings some stock photos. And so that's an option too as well. This has an original price. This is Vince Camuto. It has an original price of $98 on it. Right there. Let's see. Remember, this is formerly Smashlots, now being rebranded as Honcho Wholesale. And they've got varying degrees of dollar amounts. This is an original retail price of $129.50. Inc. in International Concepts, INC International Concepts. Looks like it's a little sweater dress with some fun embellishment. Here's the back of it. I'm kind of only showing you the front, but size small. Let's see. I'm going to actually look into ordering some shoe lots because they have a lot of shoe lots that I've done really well on before. Some Gino Vitale, Vincent Cavallo, that kind of stuff. This is another DNKY. This is an extra large, but it's got leather sleeves on this jacket. And so, if you can see there. Then I've got a pair of really nice dress pants. Originally, this is a Macy's brand. So originally $79, and this is Anne Klein. And I remember seeing a lot of that on their website as well. So I would just encourage you, check the link in the description below to check out their website. It might be something that's in the wheelhouse of what you want to do, especially if you're a Poshmark seller, or even I've sold some of these on Amazon as well, depending on the brand. And so this one is another International Concepts. I always sell the International Concepts really well. Original retail price is $54 on that one. So this is a really good lot. I'm super excited about this. So this one has an original retail price of $69.50. This is a black Novo skinny leg tummy control dress pants. Really nice women's dress pants. I do know that the shoes, they do have men's shoes. I don't know about men's clothing. You'll have to kind of peruse that. So here's another, this is another Michael Kors. It's got leather right here, and this is actual, when you feel it, you can tell it's leather, but that's in fantastic shape. And I love that it's an extra large because that's going to sell really well. So I definitely, original retail price of $165 on that one. And most of their lots seems like you can buy them for around $300 to $500. This one is $69.50, and it's an Anne Klein pair of black dress pants. Nope, not Anne Klein. This is Alfani. A-L-F-A-N-I. Here's the brand there. So that is it out of that box. But like I said, this is just a sample box. Most boxes come with, I know, 20 or more items. I haven't ordered shoes, but I'm looking into possibly ordering shoes because they're definitely the brands that I've sold before. And when I had those brands, I blew out really fast. They're men's dress shoes and they're in great condition. And so I'm excited about looking into that. But this gives you a glimpse into formerly known Smashlots, now Honcho Wholesale. The link is in the description below. Check them out. If you have any questions, Jasper is the guy that I always talk to. I'm sure you can shoot an email and get a quick answer from them. But that gives you an idea of the nice, much nicer, high-end clothes that you can put on Poshmark, eBay, Amazon. The sky's the limit with this company. So just a glimpse into a possible new liquidator that you can be sourcing from. Hopefully it's been helpful to see exactly what they have. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon Reseller Check List has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.